Sairam students, welcome back. Today we are going to start next lesson, that is specialized agencies of UNO. The United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 after the Second World War by 51 countries committed to maintaining international peace and security, developing friendly relations among nations and promoting social progress, better living standards and human rights. The UN has six principal organs: the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice, and the UN Secretariat. In addition to its six organs, the UNO has some specialized agencies. Can you match them with their functions? Let's start. Match the following. First, International Labour Organization (ILO). Function: improving the working conditions of laborers and raising their living standards. It was founded in October 1919 under the League of Nations. It is the first and oldest specialized agency of the UN. The ILO has 187 member states, 186 out of 193 UN member states, plus the Cook Islands. It is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, with around 40 field offices around the world and employs some 2,700 staff from over 150 nations, of whom 900 work in technical cooperation programs and projects. Answer: first C. Second, Food and Agricultural Organization (FAO) function: helping nations to increase their food production. FAO leads international efforts to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security. It was founded in October 1945. The FAO is headquartered in Rome, Italy, and maintains regional and field offices around the world, operating in over 130 countries. It helps government and development agencies coordinate their activities to improve and develop agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and land and water resources. It also conducts research, provides technical assistance to projects, operates educational and training programs, and collects data on agricultural output, production, and development. Answer: 2E. Third, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund (UNICEF) function: improving the health and welfare of children and their mothers. UNICEF agency responsible for providing humanitarian and development aid to children worldwide. The agency is among the most widespread and recognizable social welfare organizations in the world, with a presence in 192 countries and territories. UNICEF has received recognition for its work, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 1965, the Indira Gandhi Prize in 1989, and the Princess of Austria's Award in 2006. During the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic, UNICEF, along with the World Health Organization and other agencies, published guidance about healthy parenting. Answer: 3A. Fourth, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization (UNESCO) function: promoting education, science and culture. UNESCO was founded in 1945 as the successor to the League of Nations International Committee on Intellectual Cooperation. It has 193 member states and 11 associate members, as well as partners in the non-governmental, intergovernmental, and private sector. Headquartered in Paris, France, UNESCO has 53 regional field offices and 199 national commissions that facilitate its global mandate. Answer: 4th F. Fifth, World Health Organization (WHO) function: improving physical and mental health, promoting international medical research to fight disease. It is responsible for international public health. The WHO was established by Constitution on 7th April 1948, which is commemorated as World Health Day. The WHO Constitution, which establishes The agency's governing structure and principles states its main objective as the attainment by the people of the highest possible level of health. It is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, with 6 semi-autonomous regional offices and 150 field offices worldwide. Answer 5th B. 6th, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD) function, lending money to member nations for economic development. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is an international financial institution established in 1944 and headquartered in Washington, D.C., United States, that is the lending arm of World Bank Group. The IBRD offers loans to middle-income developing countries. Answer 6G. 7th, United Nations Industrial Development Organization UNIDO function, promoting industrial development in developing countries. UNIDO was established in 1966 by the UN General Assembly. It assists countries in economic and industrial development. It is headquartered at the UN office in Vienna, Austria, with a permanent presence in over 60 countries. Answer 7th D. Did you know, students, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit of India was the president of the 8th session of the General Assembly. Students, we have completed 29th lesson. Now we'll start next lesson. 38th lesson, units of measurement. Match the entries in the two columns to find out what the units mentioned on the left measure. First, barrel. It is the unit of capacity, 31.5 US gallons approximately. A barrel is one of several units of volume applied in various contexts. There are dry barrels, fluid barrels, and oil barrels. Volume of one barrel is exactly 158.987 to 9492 liters, using the approximate value 159 liter. Answer first E. Second, carat. It is the unit of weight of precious stones. The carat is a unit of mass equal to 200 mg or 0.00643 troy ounce and is used for measuring gemstones and pearls, sometimes known as the metric carat. It was adopted in 1907 at the Fourth General Conference on Weights and Measures and soon afterwards in many countries around the world. The weight of diamond, ruby, sapphire, emerald, topaz, aquamarine, garnet, tourmaline, zircon are expressed in carats. Answer 2A. Third, horsepower. It is power of an engine. Horsepower is a unit of measurement of power or the rate at which work is done, usually in reference to the output of engines or motors. There are many different standards and types of horsepower. The term was adopted in the late 18th century by Scottish engineer James Watt to compare the output of steam engines with the power of draft horses. Answer third F. Fourth, gallon. It is the unit of capacity. The gallon is a unit of measurement of for volume and fluid capacity in both the US customary units and the British imperial system of measurement. Three significantly different sizes are in current use. First, the imperial gallon, defined as 4.54609 liters, which is used in the United Kingdom, Canada, and some Caribbean nations. The US gallon, defined as 231 cubic inches, exactly 3.7854 liters, which is used in the US and some Latin American and Caribbean countries. The US dry gallon, defined as 1 upon 8 US bushel, exactly 4.40488377086 liters. Answer 4th H. Fifth, light year. The light year is a unit of length used to express astronomical distances and is equivalent to about 9.46 trillion kilometers or 5.88 trillion miles. As defined by the International Astronomical Union, a light year is the distance that light travels in vacuum in 1 Julian year, means 365.25 days. Answer 5th B. Sixth ream. It is used to measure sheets of paper. A ream of paper is a quantity of sheets of the same size and quality. International standards organizations define the ream as 500 identical sheets. This ream of 500 sheets means 20 pairs of 25 sheets is also known as a long ream. Answer 6th D. 7th acre. It is used to measure area of a piece of land. Acre unit of land measurement in the British Imperial and United States customary system equal to 43,560 square feet or 160 square rods. 1 acre is equivalent to 0.4047 hectares, means 4,047 square meters. In India, residential plots are measured in square feet while agricultural land is measured in acres. Answer 7C. 8th pound. It is used to measure weight. The pound or pound mass is a unit of mass used in the Imperial United States customary and other system of measurement. The United States and countries of the Commonwealth of Nations agreed upon common definitions for the pound and the yard. Since 1st July 1959, the International Avoirdupois pound symbol (IB) has been defined as exactly 0.45359237 kg. Answer 8th G. Next, complete the following table. 1 gross is equal to dash dozen. 1 gross is equal to, yes, 12 dozen. 1 inch is equal to dash centimeter. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 acre is equal to dash hectare. 1 acre is equal to 0.405 hectare. 1 score is equal to dash. 1 score is equal to 20 numbers or items. Did you know, students, light is made of electromagnetic radiation and always follows a straight path. Light travels at a speed of almost 300,000 kilometers per second, which is about 186,000 miles per second. The light we see from the sun, called sunlight, takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. Students, we have completed 30th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Which box should be used to pack more material? A or B box? Answer is B box, because volume means capacity of B box, it is more than the capacity of A box. Students, we have completed 29th and 30th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.